Shalom, welcome back. Hola, ¿cómo estás? I have a delicious Sabbath meal for you. That's right, we are making ceviche today with tilapia. You're going to need to clean your fish, and how you can do so is add it into a bowl of water with some lemon or some fresh lime and let it sit and marinate for a little bit. And then bring it over, as you can see me doing on the screen right now, cutting it down into bite sizes. As you cut it down into bite sizes, what you're going to be doing is adding a little bit of sea salt. Now you're definitely going to see me add a lot of sea salt to this dish, and that helps with the processing. Trust me, it's nowhere near going to be salty. And if you guys haven't already liked, shared, and also subscribed, please do so. Back into the video. I am adding some fresh squeezed lime juice and some fresh squeezed lemon juice. All the instructions will be down below in the description, by the way. And what you will see me do is come in and I'm going to be patting the fish down. This helps with the processing, okay? And if you do not see that your juice is higher than your fish, go ahead and add an additional lemon juice or lime juice, whichever you prefer. As I said, I'm going to be adding an additional salt, and trust me, it's going to taste delicious. And you're going to let that sit in your fridge for about a good 30-45 minutes. Once you do so, you can pull it out and add the following ingredients: some tomatoes, and then you're going to add some purple onion to this. And then what you're going to do is give this a quick stir. Now, as you can see, this is overflowing in my bowl. So of course, I'm going to have to switch up on bowls for you guys. But until then, go ahead and give this a quick mix. And at this moment, let's add some cilantro. Now you can add as much cilantro as your heart desires, because it's just going to make it taste so much better. And it's going to accentuate the flavors. And as you can see, let's add that new bowl in place. And let's now add our cucumbers to this dish. Now, one of the things that I like to add to this dish is also jalapenos and avocados. But since my family doesn't really like that in their ceviche, I only added it to mine. But that's a quick tip. It makes it taste so much better. And as you can see, I'm adding a little bit more salt just to give everything a good season. And then what I'm going to do is add some of this Bloody Mary juice. Now I picked this up in my local store, and you can too, where it doesn't have any unlawful things in it. And once you have, and you got that, you can go ahead and add that into your dish. Now, you can add as much juice as you desire. This particular tomato sauce actually has a little hint of spice to it. That's how I like it. But you can always pick some up at Walmart or any of your local groceries. Just make sure that you pay attention to the ingredients. That's a quick tip. And from there, I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys will definitely enjoy the Sabbath meal. And like I always say, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. And with that, shalom.